Hi, this is Brett Taylor with Taylor & Son Chevrolet, and this is certainly the one that everyone is looking for. 3/4 ton, extended cab, short box, gas engine, 2006 Chevy Silverado 3/4 ton. See, the tires are in excellent shape. This is a one-owner local trade-in to our dealership. It came in on trade towards the purchase of a new Chevy Cruze. This vehicle has extremely low miles for the model year with only 64,000 miles. You can see the driver's side power. Driver's side seat does not have any signs of excessive wear on the bolster. It's got the nice factory floor mats on it. It's a 1LT package. It's going to have power windows and locks, keyless entry, push button 4-wheel drive, automatic headlamps. This one has the optional steering wheel radio controls on it. CD player, dual zone climate control, integrated trailer brake control already installed. Front bench seats, you have seating capacity up to 6. On the extended cab, you have both third and fourth doors in the rear. Second row seating area doesn't ever look like it's even been sat in. This truck really is nice. Exterior condition, paint is still very glossy. See, it's got a nice spray-in bed liner already installed. 4x4 badging on the rear of the vehicle. Chrome accented rear bumper, factory trailering hitch, 7-way lead. Passenger side seating area, all in very nice shape. Carpet and floor coverings. This truck will not last. You can view this pickup and all of our inventory online at tschevy.com or call us at 800-866-2138 and ask for someone in the sales department. Thanks for looking.